Hi, this is the host, and today we're going to talk about surviving fires. I have been involved in wildland firefighting for almost 20 years now, and unfortunately, fires are one of those natural disasters that we're going to be facing more and more of as the climate continues to change. So it's important to know how to prepare for them, how to respond to them, and most importantly, how to recover after them. So let's start with the big one: the impact on the community. When a fire comes into a community, it's going to have an impact on people's lives no matter what. If you're in the path of a fire, you need to be ready to go at a moment's notice. That means having your bags packed, having your important documents in order, and knowing what your evacuation plan is. Most communities will have some sort of emergency notification system. Make sure you're signed up for that so that you can get alerts when you need them. Once you've done everything you can to prepare, the next thing to do is to follow the guidance of local authorities. If they tell you to go, then go. Don't try to ride it out. It's not worth it. Now, after the fire, there's going to be a lot of damage, both to property and to the environment. But the first responders and the emergency services, they're going to be there to help. They will have plans in place to deal with the aftermath of a fire, such as search and rescue, medical services, and also helping people with their evacuation. One of the biggest problems that we see after fires is people trying to return home too quickly. When a fire goes through an area, it can cause a lot of damage to the structure and to the environment. There could be debris, there could be hot spots, and it's not safe for people to return until those things have been cleared. Authorities will have plans in place for when people can return home safely. And it is important to wait until it is safe, because there could still be dangers from the fire that you co-see. So after the fire is out, the focus will shift to the recovery. This is going to be a long process, but there are resources available to help people recover from the physical and emotional impacts of a fire. There are government agencies that provide assistance with things like housing, food, and medical care. And there are also organizations that provide counseling and other mental health services. In conclusion, fires are a destructive force of nature that can cause a lot of damage to communities. However, by being prepared, following the guidance of local authorities, and taking care of ourselves and our loved ones, we can minimize the impact of a fire and recover more quickly. Remember, fires don't just destroy homes and businesses. They can also have a devastating impact on our mental health and well-being. So it's important to take the time to grieve and to seek help if we need it. We will get through this.